Hello everyone. This fifth video is the last in a series of tutorials dedicated to the use of analytics and intelligence. Here we will see how to create a report displaying data from two different tables. In order to do so, we will have to create a new domain. Click on Create Domain. Then click on Evidian ANI Data DS. Choose the tables you are interested in. For this example, we have chosen to create a report on user permissions. In order to do that, we need a table concerning the authorizations and those concerning the users. We will then have to join these two tables by adding a link between two fields coming from these two tables. Drag and drop with user objects ID to the authorization table and HST objects ID to the user table. Your join is now done. We then need to make sure that we can use this join in the ADOC view and report that we will create later. In order to do this, go to Data Presentation, then drag and drop your join into Sets and Items. You can now register your new domain in a private folder with your name. We will then create a new ADOC view so that we can generate our report. Click on Create an ADOC view. Select the domain you just created and click on Choose Data. Select the fields you will use to create your ADOC view and report. For this example, we will need to display the application authorized to the user, the starting date of the permission, the organization to which the user belongs, his role in the company, his name, his ID, and finally, the name of his manager. Click on Table to display your fields in table form. Then drag and drop your fields in the desired order. If you wish, you can add the exact time of the first connection of the users. Then display your table in full data by clicking on Full Data and then add a title. You can now save your new ADOC view and create your report. Click on View Report to access your new report. If you wish to, you can change the title of your columns to make them more visible. You can also display the dates in the order of your choice. You can finally export your report in different formats. Thank you for watching. If the content caught your attention, don't hesitate to like the video. I wish you a great day and see you soon for another video.